Hi, I'm Cindy Browning, CEO of Roundtable Property Management. So what makes you, the owner, a good candidate to rent out your home? Number 1, reserves. Are you someone that has savings in case a major repair happens while you're renting out your house? This is important because Florida law states that owners are responsible for major repairs like plumbing, electrical, AC, and appliances. Number 2, flexibility. Even though every tenant that rents one of our houses has a written lease, there are times that things in life just happen. Maybe they get a job transfer, somebody passes away, something in life happens. It's important to be flexible to know that sometimes they do break their lease and move out early. And number 3, understanding of the law. As an owner, you may want to pick the person who's living in your house, but due to fair housing laws, we don't let owners in on that decision. There are 7 classes that are protected by fair housing laws, so we make sure as long as the tenants pass our background checks and our screenings that we are in compliance. There are so many factors that make you a good candidate to rent out your home. To learn more, reach out to me at 904-469-7272. People Before Property.